boy Martin Folajide. Welcome to this video. In this video, I want to quickly show you how to find a product that you can get access to or take a control of on the CodeKyon.net. Most of the products that you find on this CodeKyon.net are digital products. But let me quickly tell you this: CodeKyon.net is a section of a virtual market, which means they still have other sections too, like Team Forest, Video Hive, Audio Jungle, Graphics River, and others. Each of these other options too are their potential, but for now, we want to concentrate on the script and the video here. Now, here, let's click on the PHP script, and you can explore these other options too, ranging from the WordPress, the commands, JavaScript, HTML, skin, WP Tips, and the plugins. But I will first check out these PHP scripts to see what is available. Now, here is the advantage. They give you the information about the product and the price of the product and the number of sales of the product. So that way you have advantage of knowing how successful the product is. Now, most of the products that you find on this page, either only listed or long listed, may not have much sales. But that does not mean that they are not good products. What it just simply means is that the owner of the product only listed the product on a site like CodeKyon.net and believe that the doors will come to him. It's like we're building it and expecting people to come. No, that is the belief of most of these people. But you as a marketer now, you know that you have to package and then push the product to really make good money from it. So we are on this particular site now. We have 2,300 products plus on this page. So if you scroll down on this page, you can see a lot of products. You don't just pick what really attracts your interest. So as I was scrolling down the other time, I think I saw something that I really find interesting, which is this. This is a very good one. It's a curation software, the way it looks, and I know because I have experienced curation before and I've bought a couple of softwares about curation before. Now, this software is Curation is a facilitated creation of your curated video site. So, which means this is a very good one, and I can bet you that this will be very good for internet marketing space. Now, what just have to do is, if this product says $26 for regular license, I can actually have this product repackaged to the point that I can have a single license of 27 and a developer of multiple license of say for 7 or so. Or just bring this price down, a single license to $17, multiple license and the developer license to say 27, 37 or $47. And then I can now add other resources and create tutorials about this particular topic and now launch it to internet marketing space. This will definitely sell to internet marketing space. Take a look at this place. Just type, if you use Google search engine, you type curation into your search engine and you see what Google will suggest. Take a look at this. It says curation tools. People are doing research for this, and then curation software. You see, people see curation as a way of getting website traffic, and of course, we know video is very, very hot now. So that is a very good way to come up with a product like this. Now, you can still go back again and explore other products on this particular site. But with this one example that I've shown you here now, I bet you know how to go about this product. And on every product page, you will definitely see the contact information of the owner of the product. Take a look at this. So you can explore this particular product, and of course you can see the portfolio of this person. You'll see if the particular person even have other software that are either closely related to this or on other topic too that you can actually explore. I bet you this guy made only one sale. I bet you if I make him an offer of helping him to push as much as 500 copies to 1,000 of this product, it will definitely make me a very good thing. So thank you very much for watching this video. That's how to use CodeKeyon.net. There are a lot of opportunities there. If you don't really know the potential of any product that you see, just let's discuss any of the products that you know see that you have potential from this page. So let's brainstorm on this. And it's this another one, ebook creator. This is very good for author, and I bet you know that ebook is very hot now with the Kindle stuff, and it's been hot for a couple of years now. I think I wrote about it first in 2010, 2011 as an opportunity on the netprofessional.net. So any idea that you come up with on this page, you can go to next page here, next page on the 60th page. So any idea that you come up with, let's discuss it through a chat, then see the opportunities. But of course, if you are just clear about the product, then you just go ahead and then see how to contact the owner of the product. So thank you very much for watching this video. That's how to find a product to take control or get access of on your booking on them. Thank you, guys. Your boy, Classy for that. Thank you. Bye.